Welcome to our kitchen appliance showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two popular KitchenAid products, the KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer and the KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender. Both of these appliances promise to make your cooking experience easier, but they serve different purposes. Let's find out which one is best suited for your kitchen tasks. We'll explore their functionalities, power specifications, and the types of attachments they come with. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of which product fits your needs better. The KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer excels in tasks such as mixing, beating, and whipping, making it ideal for baking enthusiasts. On the other hand, the KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender is designed for blending and pureeing, perfect for soups and smoothies. While both appliances are versatile, their functionalities cater to different culinary needs, so it's essential to choose based on what you plan to prepare. When it comes to power, the KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender boasts a higher wattage of 180 W compared to the KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer's 120 W. This additional power can translate to better performance in blending tasks, especially when dealing with tougher ingredients. However, the hand mixer is designed for efficient mixing, and its power is sufficient for most baking needs. The attachments that come with each product also differ significantly. The KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer includes a stainless steel turbo beater, ideal for mixing various ingredients. In contrast, the KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender comes with a 3-cup BPA-free blending jar and a protective pan guard, making it more versatile for blending tasks. Depending on your cooking style, the choice of attachments may influence your decision. In conclusion, both the KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer and the KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender have their strengths and weaknesses. If you primarily need an appliance for mixing and baking, the hand mixer is a great choice. However, if you often blend soups, smoothies, or sauces, the hand blender might be the better option. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen appliance reviews.